Alright, yesterday I went through my comment section on my videos and I saw someone asking me, speaking, I hope you have done your KYC on Caster, you have gotten the spaceship to do your KYC. Now, what's up with your USDT buyback, which Caster team bought from me to give me the USDT that I got while they were doing the USDT buyback of 1.5 million USDT, which they did months ago. And I'm gonna make this video very short. As you can see, if I click on this place that says USDT received, you see that I received 2,493 USDT for free without investment. All I did was the thing that we need to do back then, which is having minimum of 10 valid as an active miners, and which I tried my best to make videos and motivate my miners and motivate my downlines to make sure that they didn't stop their miner, and they always activate their miner every 12 hours. And as you can see, if you click on send here, you see that I've not sent anything out of my wallet, and the money is still in my wallet. And if you click on this place that says send over here, you will see that they say that I have to complete the KYC. And if I click on apply here, you see that I have already done my KYC, but it's still waiting for confirmation. So it's been more than a week now since I did my KYC. I was about to do it on a live video, but network was disturbing. So, and for my security purpose, I say, okay, let me not do the live video on it. People can still do KYC without watching my video. So now the problem now is Caster really a scam? Why should we trust Caster? Do we still need to be mining Caster? Yes. Why do we need to still be mining Caster? Because the amount of the amount of token that they have is kind of reducing, and they are now reducing the mining rate of the people. That is to show you that we are almost close to what we are seeking for. And even though that they don't normally answer people like that, remember what core team did. They didn't give people straight answers to what they says, and they don't core team don't really did what they says. But so far so good today. Core is a verified coin which a lot of exchanges and a lot of new coins are looking forward to partner with, as in core are now selecting the people to partner with. We are now waiting for Binance to one day list core, and we are one day waiting for core price to rank high. So what do you need to do at the moment? If you're in my shoes, maybe you have done your KYC or you're planning to do your KYC, just bear it in mind first of all that doing your KYC will not give you access to your USDT instantly, because you still need to verify you, as in accept your KYC and give you KYC. So as for now, my KYC is still pending, and I don't know the fate of my USDT, but it will not make me to quit on mining Caster, as in it will even make me to know more about it, because as you can see they are still doing it. And how do you do your KYC, and what are they actually doing? On my own the way I'm suspecting, the way I'm seeing the thing, it's like all this spaceship watching advert to get species of a thing that we are doing. Seems that they are using it to raise funds for the buy pack. So a lot of people are being in the Telegram group shouting this is a scam, blah 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 blah. Don't call something a scam until that thing requires money from you and they didn't give you the return you were expected. That is when you call something a scam. But if something don't require money from you, all they need for you is to activate one or two things on your phone. Don't call it a scam. There are team inside doing this work for you. All they need is just your phone and IP address to start mining it. And please don't do self-referral on Caster. Don't give up on it. Remember those people that gave up on Reminato, core mining, specs, and everything. They are regretting it up to today. Don't give up on custom mining. Try your best. If you don't have referral, if you don't have referrals, maybe if you don't have referrals and you still want to participate in the KYC, all you have to do is to go ahead and make sure that you keep on watching ads to accumulate 500 space sheets. Accumulating 500 space sheets, as far as you keep on doing it consistently, it will not take you up to a week, and then leave it there until the badge of this fifth badge of people that didn't do KYC is gonna reach, and then you have to do your key. All you have to do is just to wait for them, and try your best to make sure that you activate your miner every 12 hours. There is no big deal in it. None of us knows what Caster people have in mind for us. So as for now, just want to acknowledge you guys and motivate you guys for more on it, and also show you guys that hey, I'm not receive my USDT from Buypack. The day I will receive it, it will be the video I will make for that day. So as for now, just let me just cut the video short and see you guys on my next video. Bye.